The choice of colour for the polished concrete was quite critical in our scheme. We're in a rural countryside setting, so we had to judge it just right between the warmth of the colour while still retaining its neutrality. We spoke to Lazenby, we looked at a lot of samples, they sent us samples, we visited their showroom, they also gave us suggestions as to installations we might go and look at, and ultimately one of the suggestions really struck us, and that was at the London School of Economics, where Lazenby had done a polished concrete floor, and we felt that that hit the perfect balance. It had a slight element of warmth, but was still that neutral foil for the beautiful scenery we have outside and any objects or furniture we were going to introduce inside.